Okay, y'all, so I'm just gonna pull everything out, make sure there's nothing that's expired, clean each shelf and drawers, and just declutter and get my life back together. Freezer will come later.
I'm just a chill guy. I just like to take it easy. I just like to take it easy. I'm just a chill.
I had breakfast this morning. This is beef bacon. I never had it before. This was my first time trying, and I think it's all right. It's cool. I will order beef bacon again, but my favorite is pork bacon. Never ever have I had tofu before, but since I do want to lose weight and get in shape, I thought purchasing this would be good. So gotta figure out how to cook this. Here is the rough area. I gotta cook these today. Like, this is ridiculous. Empty. Crazy. Look how nasty that is, y'all. Ugh, the horror. Can y'all tell I have a poor diet? Okay, now we're gonna start on this bottom area. Let's get this stuff out. Yeah, this is bacon fat. I had this all the way up to here. I was storing bacon fat and using this. Whew, y'all, I'm tired. Y'all, this is like half empty, but I feel like this might be nothing in here, y'all. That's crazy. This is why y'all have to declutter your home. Like, mentally, I don't know what I was going through. I'm still trying to get through it, but y'all, take some time out for yourself in your home. This is disgusting. So nasty. Why I got all types of flavors of mustard? Ridiculous. More flavors. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean everything off, you guys. Clean out the fridge, and then I'm gonna put everything back in the fridge and kind of show you guys the items. I don't know if you guys care to see the items, but yeah. Okay guys, so this is the fridge all emptied out.
I just like to take it easy.
Y'all. I have my work cut out for me. It's overwhelming. But I'm going to get to that point where it's not overwhelming, where it's doable, where it's minimalistic, where I don't have to stress, I don't have to worry. Like, it's just essential. Like, you know, what's needed is what's needed, and what's not needed is not here. Something like that. Anyways, y'all, let me get my cleaning supplies together so I can clean out this fridge and then wipe down these items before they go bad, because they're in the environment it's not supposed to be in. So the products I'm using are, in here is vinegar and water. It is not the 7th generation. I have sponges, also soap and water. Let's get started. Let go. And paper towel. Y'all, I had to get soap and water because these stains right here aren't coming out with no vinegar and water.
I'm just a chill guy, I just like to take it easy. I'm just a chill guy, I just like to take it easy.
Whew, okay, y'all. I soaked it down with water and soap. Now I'm just gonna spray the vinegar and water and then wipe it down with a paper towel. I'm gonna let that sit for a minute and then wipe it down. Ziggy, stop. Guys, I named my Alexa Ziggy. My son has one upstairs, so I got tired of my Alexa, or both of the Alexas responding to me, so I named mine downstairs Ziggy and left his as Alexa. Let me clean the handles off, and then I'm gonna put the handles back on, and we're gonna clean that side. Okay guys, so the refrigerator door is spotless. On to the monster. Y'all, look how nasty that is. Y'all, if y'all keep up the fridge,
I'm just a chill guy,
you won't
I
have
just
to
like
do
to take
this.
it
I mean,
easy.
you do gotta do this, but like it won't be this intense. You know what I mean? I ain't no spring chicken, you know.
I'm just a chill guy, I just like to take it easy. Chill guy.
Y'all, cleaning this fridge is a whole workout in itself. And it's a mess I'm making. I feel like I done got off a tread, guys. So the fridge is clean. The door is clean. Now I just have to clean the shelves and then put everything back.
I just like to take it easy. Bye.
Ew. Disgusting. Ew. Disgusting. Guys, so I'm about to assemble putting back the shelves in. I'm gonna start with the bottom. There we go. I think that's how you put it in. Y'all see that? First drawer in, another one to go. Y'all, is that a little high up? I don't know. We're gonna put the third one in, so I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I think that second shelf is too high up. Let's take it down one. As long as the milk can get in there, or let's see. Let me test this out real quick. Oh, a little bit. Let's see. Yeah. Yep. Now I have to wash the drawers and put those back in. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna take each product and wipe them down with this towel that's a little moist, and then I'll be checking the dates. But I'm gonna do a handful of stuff and then put it in the refrigerator because I don't want the stuff to go bad, which I feel like some of the stuff has been out for very long. I hope you guys' year is going great. What year is this? Oh, Worcestershire sauce, all-purpose seasoning. Oh no, I don't know, man. We got the amino liquid acid. Amino liquid aminos. Where did the acid from? Got us some hummus, which I'm about to eat this right now for a snack because I'm hungry, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and put all the cheese back in the refrigerator. So let's go ahead and do that because this stuff, cheese, Velveeta, American cheese, that's not real cheese, block of cheese that needs to be shredded. I'm gonna go ahead and put this butter in there as well. My cream cheeses, one's open, one's not. And that's it for the cheese. I'm gonna go ahead and put the butter back. 2 sticks of butter, unsalted. And this is the Kerrygold. I know I just got like a little chunk left, which I'm gonna make some cookies with soon, today or tomorrow. That's that. I'm gonna put the tofu in here with the cheeses. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this hummus in here as well. Drink the juice. The mango. Another mango. Soursop. Another soursop. Another soursop. Kefir. Aloe vera, creamer. I might just condense, I don't know, another aloe vera. The eggs. Switch it to this side. My little Kool-Aid mix I made. The salsa. That's that. The pickles. Avocados. I put them in water to try to keep them to last longer. I'm gonna put the fruits down in the crispers. Strawberries. A lemon. Eggs towards the back. More veggies. Let's get no. I'm gonna put my packaged meat in this crisper. Pre-cooked food right here. Rice right there. For now, I'm gonna put this water right here. Little pepperonis. Right. I'm gonna just start putting stuff in, y'all, because at this point, this is some apple cider vinegar. It's supposed to help me like lose weight. Honey mustard, a regular mustard, another regular mustard, Lord, ranch. Hopefully my ranch ain't bad, y'all. Got some relish. I'm gonna use this up today, so I'm gonna leave this out because ain't nothing but a drop in here, if y'all can see that. Teriyaki glaze. Vanilla extract. More syrup. Barbecue. This one's full of sugar, y'all. Full of sugar, but I'm gonna use it up. Dijon mustard. Chicken base and dill. Liquid smoke. Who won't smoke with me? We got any room up here? Yep. There we go. Ooh. Last little bit of items, y'all. I gotta clean this off. All right. Another apple cider. Strawberry jam. Better than bouillon. Better than bouillon. Lemon. Chocolate. Lime. Deodorizer that needs to be opened. Put my big ketchup down here. My bacon grease. More lime juice. Put that right there. Cilantro. Okay guys, this is the finished product. All done. What a blessing. It took forever. Here's the door. I forgot what time I started, guys, but it's now 4 o'clock, basically. I think that took me about 2.5 to 3 hours. I'm just glad it's done. I'm just glad it's done and it's over. Decluttering day 2 done. Thanks, guys, for watching my videos. Please make sure you tune in to decluttering day 1. Because that was a doozy. That was day 1, or one day did it. Anyways, this was day 2 and I'm done. Thanks guys for watching and thanks for supporting me. Don't forget to thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. Bye.